Hey traders, welcome back. In this video we're going to go through our Viper system, and today we're going to have a look at our Viper sell entry. So one of the things that obviously we're going to do first up is load our charts up with our Viper strategy, so we'll do that now. Hey traders, I have a chart of the crude oil 125 tick chart. It could be any chart that we run through, but we'll do a 125 tick for this example. And what we're going to see here is you'll see that we get a close below the moving average envelope. So that's kind of the catalyst for us to take a trade. Once we get that close below, that price bar close below the moving average envelopes, we're good to take a trade. So I'll just turn off the GMT trend, and that will help us kind of identify that we've got a short set up there, because we want to see what color bar that is. And you can see that's a bearish bar. So it's a red bar. That gives us our close below. So we can clearly see that we've got a close below the moving average envelopes. We have our MACD supporting our sell setup, and what I mean by supporting is the MACD is turned from green dots to red dots, and what we actually have too is the MACD is outside the lower Bollinger Bands. So we kind of get a double confirmation here, because not only do we have the red dots confirming the MACD sell, but we have them outside of our lower Bollinger Bands, which confirms our sell entry. So that for us is a fairly stock standard sell entry. Now within the strategy, if you go to the strategy itself and we look at the GMT entry filter, we have, when we turn the filter on, that basically allows us to take the trade. We can select that we have the red MACD dots, the green or red, and if we select one, then obviously if it's a short, we need the red dots to line up. We can also have in there that we need the MACD BB below the zero line. So I've left that as 0, but that's one thing that you can put in as far as the trade entry. And then the additional confirmation for the MACD is that we have a lineup of the MACD on entry, and we have that here. So we're lining up on the MACD. So if you want to get this a little bit more conservative as far as the sell setup, you could actually put in the MACD below the zero line as a 1, and that will reduce the number of trades, obviously, but and add that additional filter in there. So that's your Viper sell setup on our Viper 5. So hopefully that was fairly straightforward, and I look forward to taking you through the next video. Cheers.